Welcome to Uma's classroom for math and science videos. Today we will learn how to draw a bisector of a given angle. This is a good topic for middle schoolers and high schoolers, especially high schoolers who are handling a higher coursework of geometry like geometry honors or any other geometry coursework. For them, it is going to be treated as a basic of geometry. In this video, I am showing how to bisect a given angle. Here the given angle is angle AOB. So, to draw a bisector, step 1 is to draw an arc of a suitable radius with the center at O. So, first let's draw an arc. And this arc is intersecting the ray OA, suppose at point P, and it is intersecting the ray OB, suppose at point Q. Now, step 2, draw an arc with a suitable radius more than half of PQ with the center P. So, I can see that the radius is more than half of PQ. Let's draw the arc like this. Now, step 3, we have to draw another arc of the same radius with the center at Q to intersect the arc as we have drawn from P already. This is my second arc. Now, let's consider that the point of intersection is R. Now, the next step, to draw a ray to join the points O, R. OR is the bisector of angle AOB. We can check our work by using a protractor. We can measure the angle first, AOB, and then we can measure the second angle, small angle, angle AOR. As OR is the bisector, so it is expected that the measurement of angle AOR or the angle BOR should be half of the measurement of angle AOB. So this is all about how to draw the bisector of a given angle and to check the work. Please keep growing, keep watching with Uma's Classroom and subscribe to get more updates from Uma's Classroom.